Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to be talking about how to organize a diligence data room. A due diligence data room is a secure online platform where companies can share confidential documents with potential investors, acquirers, and other third parties. DDRs are typically used in mergers and acquisitions transactions, but they can also be used in the other types of transactions such as diligence for private equity investment and real estate transactions. Organizing a DDR can be a daunting task, but it is important to do it correctly in order to ensure that the diligence process is efficient and effective. In this video, we will discuss how to organize a DDR so that it is easy to use and navigate. Steps to organize a due diligence data room. Identify the documents to be included in the DDR. The first step is to identify all of the documents that need to be included in the DDR. This will vary depending on the type of transaction and the specific requirements of the other party. However, some common documents that are included in DDRs include financial statements, tax returns, legal documents such as contracts and agreements, business plans, marketing materials, human resources documents, technical documentation. Create a document index. Once you have identified the documents to be included in the DDR, you need to create a document index. This is a list of all of the documents in the DDR, organized by category. The document index should include the following information for each document: file name, document type, category, data created, data modified. Organize the documents into folders. Next, you need to organize the documents into folders. The folders should be organized in a way that makes it easy for users to find the documents they need. For example, you could create folders for financial statements, tax returns, legal documents, and so on. Upload the documents to the DDR. Once you have organized the documents into folders, you need to upload them to the DDR. Most DDR providers offer a drag and drop upload feature, which makes it easy to upload multiple files at once. Set up user permissions. Once the documents have been uploaded, you need to set up user permissions. This will control who has access to the DDR and what they can do with. For example, you could give some users full access to the DDR while giving other users to only certain folders or documents. Test the DDR. Before you share the DDR with other parties, it is important to test it to make sure that everything is working properly. This includes testing the document index, folder structure, and user permissions. That's all for today. Hope you have understood the topic. Thank you so much everyone for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye bye.